Good morning, beloved brothers and sisters. The daily word is from Joshua 8 verse 1. Do not be afraid, nor be dismayed. And today's scripture is from Matthew 9 verse 29 to 30. Then he touched their eyes, saying, According to your faith let it be to you. And their eyes were opened. Have a blessed day.